One opening on a last Nkolodo when I watch me, you don't need to defend the last Nkolodo. Opening on last Nkolodo, you now watch my video. You don't need to defend the last Nkolodo. The only thing you get maybe the long see that place wa. One the last apagiga agba ezoku. Last I got mandiga alunu. Last I got mandiga with property. Last one day obodo ibo adi agwa mmadu no nya na obodo ibo no nya. If he may can tell. And another thing, all the updates in the marble makandino street. In on the street na favor game one the bim. Piante bim. Update in the marble saloge. Guys, stop gatekeeping any country and where country in where. One day where country in where all over the world. And one young Canada, and one young US, and one young any country. Our country again a country go last in Nkolodo do to now. Less percentage you be even make here when they don't come up here to defend that country. If I make can tell, very soon now, very soon, we gonna make it update now. Actually, Kedi, I have a video, but somebody online, can buy a video, he go see him well as investment. Who never can load that level. Who never can load that level. Somebody be able which who no Italy. Amambang GLA. No Italy, Amambang GLE. Somebody be leba, somebody no need Italy. Somebody no need Italy, be leba, Quona, and one no Italy galung duplex. Aula Mukulie, may Bugatan the mother in your update. We cannot stop this update. Power. Abone no India, she knew no more to. Mobile give you one lakala. Tell you a cocusha Kalianine. Immediately on a good Kalianine, one the Walilu Manani Makala, Kedishona, Monocoche Yilu. Kedina Chona Tanzania, Kedina Chona Zimbabwe, Kedina Mena Lesotho, Kedina Bana Chona Malawi, Kedina Mena Botswana, Kedina Gina Zimbabwe, Kedina Mena South Africa, Kedina Mena Kenya, Kedina Mena Egypt. Egypt will headquarter of Nkolodo, followed by Iraq, Iran, Syria, Lebanon. Lebanon now will save 280,000 every month. When the 280,000 in a year, he save over 3.something million. 3.something million in 10 years, he save without something million. Yeah, the generation of the people who produce on my page, but and one of the people who had hardcore followers on my page gave me mistake in a travel. You know, but even they save 400,000. Is she not okay? It's better than Nigeria. It is better than Ebe, no. Even to Ebe better than Nigeria. Nigeria, Nigeria, we make comparison. Nobody even in TJ because Nigeria will about better than anywhere in the world. End it now. Only nobody even save 300,000. In a year, if you get save 3 million. In 2 years, if you get save 6 million. That means in 10 years, if you get save 30 million. When the 30 million cannot buy you a land, 30 million cannot build you a house in Nigeria. 30 million, we can only 2-bedroom bungalow or 3-bedroom bungalow. 30 million, a man going motor. When they want a motor, they less than 20 million in Nigeria. Highest from 15 million up. He is going to fuel. Fuel in every week in Nigeria is costing you nothing less than 200,000. Realistic. If you realistic, realistic. When they come and sit on the table, let's discuss. Our people they make yes, we go to America. Our people they make here in Austria. Our people they make here big in Australia. Our people they make yes, we go to UK. Don't let anybody deceive you. Never need no Switzerland in yo. Then how can people who the homeless in this country is mentioned? When those people are lazy, they don't want to work. Can you buy them no kija? Can you buy them no ka? Can you buy them no ka? Can you buy them no manshi? Can you buy them no where? Can you buy them in Johnson? Kedi ebe na eme na umuguma, kedi na eme na Tetulo, kedi na eme na Njaba, kedi ebe na achọ na Njaba. Iweta onwe yi na Unity Johnson. Cho onye na-ele ihe ka ilewe plantain chips. Cho tebụl ka ịkpata plantain chips ka ilewe. End it now. All na the travel iti ime na iti nweta onwe gị na South American country. Oh, join. If you are with onye na-ekwu ihe a, ya console onwe ya. Hey, that country wey no bless another person, he go bless another person. One obodo Oyibo no be try and luck. Ijebe ezigbo obodo Oyibo. Kedu ibi na mena Mbaise, kedu ibi na mena Abakpa, kedu ibi na mena Enugu State, kedu ibi na mena Abakaliki, kedu ibi na achọ na Moldova, kedu ibi na mena Belarus, Kosovo, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Kashmir, Djibouti, kedu ibi na achọ na Guinea Pupua, power. Kedu ibi na mena Laos, kedu ibi na mena Bhutan, kedu ibi na achọ na Tibet. Kedu you buy them in HK? Can you even at Hong Kong? Can you even make degi as well by you want to work in a Bermuda? Can you even a Bermuda? Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tamistan. Can you even make degi you want to work in Obodostan, Afghanistan, Pakistan? You want to go in the Philippines, see na window mafu. Make sure na nwele moto dị n'ana, ka ịma na na po, ka ebo na nwere ibe wado inen. Italy.